What's up everyone? Today we're going to do a brief video on the different color options for the R32 Skyline GTRs. To kick things off, we're going to start with Gunmetal Gray, or as it's known by Nissan, Gun Gray Metallic. This is actually 45% of all production, which a lot of people oftentimes say, hey, I've seen a million gray GTRs, I'd like to see some other colors. Well, with nearly half of production being gray, that's why you're going to see so many. This was also the only color option on the 1990 only Nismo, but that only totaled 560 units of production. Now here's what a Nissan Skyline GTR looks like in white, or as it's known in Nissan parlance as crystal white. This actually didn't make production until Series 2 of the R32 GTR. But this color quickly became a big hit, obviously as neutral color, usually those are the bigger sellers. And a lot of people actually really just like the GTRs in white. For whatever reason, we seem to sell those a little bit faster than other colors. White was also made very popular on all the N1 models, the GTR N1, the V-Spec N1, and the V-Spec 2 N1, as it was the only color offering for either of those models. All in all, white made up about 18.33% of all production for Skyline GTRs. And here we have a Skyline GTR finished in black, or as it's known by Nissan, Black Pearl Metallic. Black had a little bit smaller production numbers than the white GTR, hitting 12.9% in total production over the R32 GTR's production run. Here's a Skyline GTR finished in KG1 Jet Silver Metallic. This was actually only produced for the Series 1 GTR, and this actually had a very small production run. Just under 3.25% in total production for the KG1 Jet Silver Metallic. But you're probably saying, well, I've seen various other GTRs in silver, there's no way it can be that rare. And that's because for Series 2, they introduced KL0 Spark Silver Metallic. This had a much higher production run of 11.75%, and is therefore far more common and popular for the GTR's production run. More often than not, if you see a silver GTR, it'll be a Spark Silver Metallic, not the Jet Silver Metallic. Coming in at just under 5.5% of all production is the AH3 Red Pearl Metallic. Now this is actually a really pretty color, and more often than not, we've seen cars that were originally this color be repainted some sort of neutral color like black, white, silver, etc., which is kind of a shame. It's such a rare color and also such a very beautiful color for these cars, especially when the light hits it. But it's just not very common to see them in red, and sometimes people even shy away from it, which is kind of a shame. We're really hoping we'll find more of these in the future, because it really is a good looking color for this car. Coming in at just over 2.5% of total production is TH1 Dark Blue Pearl. Now this color might be a Montu favorite. It's such a low production run, and there are so few cars out there obviously with this color, that it's really amazing when we finally find one. Like the Red Pearl Metallic, this is a color that really pops when the light hits it just right. It's such a sharp looking and classy color for this car, it's really a shame that it had such a low production run. This is one we always get excited about when we win a car in this color, but we're not going to hold our breath for the next time, being that there are so few of them out there. Now I know what you're saying, hang on a second, that's not a GTR. Well, that's because this color is so rare that we've never even had a GTR in this color. This color is known as BL0 Grayish Blue Pearl. Now this one might be my personal favorite because it's really such a cool, unique color and so rare for the Skyline. How rare, you might ask? Well, only 1/3% of all GTRs were painted this color. It was a special order only color, so very few people actually went with it when ordering their Skyline brand new. Hopefully someday we'll find a GTR in this color, because that would just be amazing. That would probably be the coolest GTR that we've ever had. But, kind of like TH1, we're not going to hold our breath with that. Now, some of you are probably wondering where Bayside Blue or Midnight Purple or any of those other funny colors are. But, as we mentioned in our previous video, those were not original R32 GTR production colors. If you haven't watched that video, you probably should. We give a little description about when those colors started and why they aren't original. Also, if you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button so you can get more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching this video, and have a good one.